Hi guys, welcome to another quick video shortcut. As we all know, you can choose both these objects, and to blend them you simply use the blend tool over there, wherever it may be, over there, or you go to object and choose blend and make, or that shortcut over there, and you'll get this beautiful looking element. It actually really looks nice. You can change the steps and all of that under there, blend, and you can choose blend options. You can change all the steps like we all know about that. But now I'm just undoing it. There is a different type of blend. If you choose any shape you want, say we choose this polygon tool, and you press down the tilde key or the apostrophe key, as you can see it creates this blend around, and it's very cool. So you can just keep on going, creating any shape. You can make it no fill, so you'll see only the outline, or sorry, we'll swap it around. And you can see that shape there, so it's quite nice and cool. The difference between this one and the blend is that here you don't need to define any shape or any element. You just simply put it out, and holding down that tilde key, it's just below the escape key by the way, then you just pull and drag and create anything you want. But just notice that this key, the tilde key or option, is actually creating tons of little shapes within that, unlike blend, which has only one shape. So this thing is made out of loads and loads of shapes. Each one is a shape on its own. You can see it's not even joined. Each one is a shape of its own. You can move them, and you can press Ctrl Command Y to see the outline, and you'll see each one is its own shape. But with the blend that we saw, that is live. I'm just going back a few steps. So this one is actually live, and you can move this one shape around, and that'll affect the other shapes. Sorry, I have to select it, and then you can move that around, and now make the blend changes, etc. And this is only made out of one line, one single two shapes. With all these is like a preview. So if you look under the Control Command Y, you'll see there are only two shapes here on this line going across, because it's not actually a shape of its own. You could of course expand it, but I'm talking about naturally how it is. So that's that. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you gained anything, please give a like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.